Hey y'all. Okay, so check this out. I said I was going to do a review on all of the little, Instagrammy stuff to find out if it's a scam or if it's the real deal. So today I had the Mofajang. I'm not 100% sure on how you pronounce this, but whatever. It's hair coloring product that's supposed to be all natural, and it's supposed to tint your hair color. And I got like the red one, so I'm just going to open it up and I am going to give it a whirl and see what happens. I'm going to see if it actually does what it says it does. Now, I have given up on bleaching my hair. I've been bleaching my hair for maybe like about 20 years, and I decided to give it a rest. But I do still love color. So when I opened it, this is what it looks like. It's not runny or anything, but it kind of just smells like waxy. It don't really smell like anything. Yeah, it kind of smells like wax. But anyway, my hair, I shampooed and conditioned my hair. I don't have any product in my hair. My hair is just slightly damp. So I'm just going to see what it does for my hair as I apply it. And I'm just going to stick this in here just to see the texture. Okay, so it's not like, it's not hard or anything. Like, it really feels like super waxy. So I am going to start applying it to my hair. I'm just going to grab pieces of my hair and just slick it on. I'm not going to do it in any particular fashion. I grab a little dollop, put it on my hand, and I'm just going to start. Did I put it? Yes, I did put it on my forehead already. But I don't know. I'll get that off. But I'm going to just grab little sections of it and just start rubbing it on. And we're going to see if I fell for the Instagram scam again, y'all. And all right. It doesn't seem like it's going to stain my hands. Doesn't seem like it, but we'll see, because my hands stain so super easily. I'm just slapping it on because I ain't got time for all of the parting it out and doing all of that. Plus my hair is pretty easy to work with. So, while it's wet, so it should be easy for me to work it in. And I'm just gonna scoop a little bit more. I don't have a mirror nearby, which I probably should have. I'm going to grab my hand mirror probably in a second. Just to see what's happening. But so far, from what I can see, it looks like it's kind of just my hair burgundy or something. I don't know. Alright, so I'm going to continue to work this into my hair, and then I'm going to sit under the dryer, and I'm going to come back and let let you guys know what I think. If I think it's a scam or if I think it actually works. This is what my hands look like so far. So sit tight for the end result. So this is the end result. I sat under the dryer for probably like about 20 minutes. And I'm just going to turn around so you can see in the back. My hair is a little shady because it's a looser curl around the perimeter. Then it's tighter in the middle, which is weird, but I'm lucky that it's not the other way around. So thank God for that. But at any rate, this is the color that it came out. I would say it's more like a burgundy type of color. It didn't come out super like red like how it is in the container, but it's okay. Now one thing that I can say is that it's like my hair is like stiff. I don't know if y'all can see that in the video, but it's like, which is okay for when I wear my hair in an afro or if I tie my little Bobby Proud scarf around.
This is Bobby Proud for those who have no clue who he is.
But if I'm not doing that, I probably wouldn't use this unless like I was doing it for fun. Like I would never try to style my hair or use it on a client or you know, use it professionally. I wouldn't do that. If you're trying to do it for fun or maybe for kids that want like a temporary color, this will probably be okay. But I mean, it did tint my hair, so I guess it did do what it said, but I'm not really a big fan. And also, I wanted to come back and talk about this gel because I actually posted about this gel on another one of my videos, on my gel video, stating that I would come back and give a full review of the cannabis gel. As far as I did like my wash and go with this, I do not like the smell of this. It has it smells masculine, I'll say. It kind of smells like a man. It doesn't smell like marijuana or anything. But when I did my hair, I did like a little twist out and like a little kind of like updo type of style where I like French braided up my back and then I wore in front kind of curly. This flaked ungodly. Like it flaked so much. It didn't even really take no time. Like my hair was frosted flakes the next day. Like it was horrific. So but it did define my curls really good. So I can't complain about that. But I wouldn't buy this again either. So that is my review on these two products. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.